Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that, and I want to share with you something incredible. Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I'm in my rainforest today, enjoying a beautiful walk, getting some exercise, and just soaking in this incredible rainforest. I wanted to show you exercise is something I love doing every single day, and I feel so very blessed to have a rainforest to do it in. So this is what I look at when I'm walking in my rainforest. It's a beautiful, beautiful, tall trees and just lush as a rainforest would be. So I just wanted to take you with me a few minutes to show you what I do every morning through the week. It's also fun to do rainforest lunges. Mine aren't in the best form, but working on that, of course, to strengthen my legs as well. And believe it or not, my pulse was like 100 before I started doing walking like this, and it has dropped to 70, 30 points down. Imagine. Now, my lunges weren't the best, but that's a start, and I like to do my walking, my exercising on this path. When I do one round on my rainforest path, it's like 30 minutes. I try to do an hour a day, which would be 2 rounds, and the lunges are just something I started doing. I really appreciate being able to exercise every day in this rainforest. I tell you what, it's just so nice. I remember my pulse being 100, and now it is dropped to 70, 30 points. That's incredible. So I'm very thankful for that. And I just wanted to share my morning routine and what it's done for my life. I mean, can you imagine dropping 30 points, the stats, how much better you're gonna, everything in your whole being is going to be because you don't have the high pulse rate that I did, which is really bad to have it in 100. You know, and I want so much to do better, to be better, everything. Feel better, my grandkids. I want to be healthy and happy for my grandkids. I just want all of that. And so I just wanted to share a little few minutes here with you, what I do every morning. So appreciate you watching. Bye from the rainforest in Alaska. Just giving you a good view of the harbor here. Incredible. Lighthouse. It's a gorgeous day. Name Cheryl Traxler. This is my account in my back office, and I'm going to scroll up. There's 3,100. I've actually got up to 3,500. Had income before we had this pay system in. Started out in June, and this is an incredible consistent income stream that I'm having here with Successful Solution Method. So just wanted to mention this and let you know that I'm earning and enjoying the entrepreneur lifestyle. I appreciate you watching my video and all the fun I've been having on my island. I live on an island in Alaska, and so thank you. And we'll subscribe to my channel and don't miss an update. Bye.